Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I'm here with your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Woohoo, yeah. Today's tip could have reaching advice to anybody in any position that has anything to do with sales. So if you're a manager, this is not just for you, but this is for your team, and this should give you an idea as to how to be a better leader with your team. Salespeople, when you find yourself experiencing what I'm about to share with you, it's an indication. It's an opportunity. This is not an attack. Well, kind of. It's a nudge. It's a little sticky stick. Okay. This is some tough love coming to you from Uncle G. Okay. Here's the quote. Lazy is an indication of not knowing fully what you are doing. One more time. Lazy is an indication of not knowing fully what you are doing. So what that means, anytime you feel lazy, managers, anytime you start to believe that your salespeople are lazy, okay? Anytime you or your team members are starting to exhibit the signs of laziness, it is an indication that you are undertrained, underpracticed, under-rehearsed, that there's something you don't know about what you're doing right now, which consequently means you're going to resist it, call reluctance, and not want to do it. Think about it. This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, email david@grantcardone.com or call 310-777-0352 or pop on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching, cardonesolutions.com/coaching. And be great. That's right, because nothing else pays. See you soon.